Hello everyone, and I welcome all of you to Online Study for You, a complete placement solution. This is Pratik Srivastava, founder of Online Study for You. Friends, Deloitte NLA 2026 hiring is out. Many of you have already registered, and many of you are now facing the issues with the link 403 forbidden. We will talk in detail. So we are getting a lot of queries, sir, the registration is closed or the registration is still active. Will I be able to apply or not? The exam is cancelled or what? So a lot of queries are coming with respect to that. So friends, we will discuss in this video. Please don't get panic. Everything is normal. You will be able to write the exam. You will be able to apply. Please don't worry. Okay. Now friends, the first thing is please do like the video and subscribe to the YouTube channel, because when I see people or the students struggling with all this information, they cannot find it, see whatever is possible that I definitely bring it for you. So please do like the video. It will also give us little motivation that we are working for you and we will keep working for you. And don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel. Now, so friends, you are getting this kind of link, right? So 403 forbidden. Even if you refresh it will tell you the same thing. So 403 forbidden. Okay, now let us try to understand. So this particular hiring will be active for 10 to 15 days. Okay, so at least 10 days the hiring will be active. So from 8th of January till 19th of January is the timeline when this hiring has to be active. Okay, so if you compare last year also, friends, the registration was out on 17th of Jan 2024. Okay, last year, and then people were able to register for a long time. So at least you could see the dates here. So what I'm telling, please don't get panic. Everyone are seeing the same thing when you are clicking on the link. So it's not something new for someone or some authentication problem. No, see, when the traffic will be more on website, okay, or if some kind of TCS website, for how many days it was down. So Deloitte website is also, you can say it is down. Okay, it is showing some 403 forbidden authentication problem. So please don't worry about it. It will become active again. But one thing I always request all of you, that please apply as soon as you get the hiring notification. Many of them has already applied and now they are tension free. And because you have not applied, see, this kind of questions are genuine. Sir, will I be able to apply or not? What is 403 forbidden? And simply you are getting panicked now. Many of the students will ask last date. For what? See, you are so busy that you cannot apply. It will, how much time it will take to apply? Maximum 10 to 15 minutes. Okay. You say like, if you will recheck it, okay, or if you will spend more time, maximum 1 hour. That's all. Now, the hiring was active on 8th only. 8th you did not apply. 9th you did not apply. Okay, and from 10th this problem is coming. So as soon as you see the hiring on our channel, okay, stop everything and just do apply. After that you be tension free. Okay, but now also see, the notification came when 4 days ago, and the hiring with the link was out some 2 days ago, and many people applied, I know. Okay, so my request to everyone, please apply as soon as it comes. And now please don't get panic. Okay, please don't get panic. This issue will definitely be solved, because this hiring cannot be closed like this. Okay, see, they are making such a software that is, when the more traffic is there, that their server itself is not able to take the load. Okay, so this happens, you don't have to worry about that. And they will also extend the dates if they are not able to resolve the issue, like how TCS did it for 10 to 15 days. But as soon as this link is active, you please apply. And friends, that is the reason we have created Telegram groups also, WhatsApp groups also, so that we can intimate you right as soon as the things are working. Because next time again, if it comes, you don't apply, I don't know for what are you waiting, and don't get into that problem. Let us help you in all possible ways, but all those things, this you have to do. Nobody can help you out. Okay, so don't get panic. Trust me, the link will be again active and you will be able to apply. And I will only make the video that the link is active. Now the 403 is not coming. So please have some patience and don't listen to others, because there are many places. I am seeing like a lot of people are telling Accenture result is out, but when I was checking in Telegram group yesterday, see, our Telegram group is very active, so that Accenture result is not yet declared. Okay, but for views, for things like that, people do that. So you have to get the genuine information. You need to understand the problem and how it happens. So generally the link will be active for minimum some 5 to 10 days. So after 2 days only we are getting this 403 forbidden. So don't worry, that link will become active again. Okay, for time being, anyway, see, you don't think that when the link will be active, when I will apply. No, you have to start your preparation. Okay, you have to keep your preparation on. Okay, so here if you'll see, already we have here Deloitte previous year question is there. So just a minute, I will show you. So here if you'll see, then Deloitte previous year question and the pattern, right? Arey bhai, what is happening? Okay, sorry, I pressed something else. So already the previous year questions are online study for you, Deloitte NLA PYQ 2025. So if you go here, right, so already the previous year question is there. So you start your preparation. Okay, and time duration, each and everything. There is no negative marking, application received, job openings. So last year we had already updated, and this year also we will update, right? So PYQs, and now these are the PYQs which was asked in, along with the solution we have put it on our website. So utilize this here. So there is one here and there is another one is here, right? So all those things Deloitte. Okay, previous year questions. Okay, here so English, quantum, logical, computer fundamentals, right? Okay, so this will help you to understand 2024 2025 previous year questions we have already uploaded, right? Okay, so to see, these are the question. Identify an invalid HTML tag from the following, right? Okay, and then you see multiple choice. If Java something, I'm not able to see. JavaScript, what does the type of operator do? In JavaScript, what is the type of operator does? Okay, so these are the question. Look at this series and complete it. So if you if you prepare this kind of questions, then automatically you will be prepared for Deloitte examination. Okay, so don't worry about that. And also Deloitte NLA courses we have launched, live classes are already going. Previous year questions we have started solving it. So all those things we are doing it for you. I know many of you will tell, sir is doing promotion of the courses. See, for me, your job is very important, because being from 2026 you need to get one job. If you don't get it in the beginning, then for the rest of the exam you lose your confidence. And the worst thing is losing your confidence from yourself. If you don't have confidence on you, other people will not have confidence on you. Okay, so get this course right now. It's just 700 rupees, and start your preparation as soon as possible. Don't worry and don't wait for anything. Thank you, take care, all the very best. We'll meet soon in the next video. Till then, please take care of yourself. Bye bye.